Hey Joseph, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I was going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So the main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. But before I get into content, I want to just compliment you on your site. I really like the quality of the picture that you have in your header. I like how stuff is organized up here. I would recommend having a drop down of services. I like how the picture is high quality. It just looks very like a good professional website. All right. But one thing I noticed that you need more content on it. So I came up and counted your home page words, and it came up to 718 words. All right. Your competition, which is Hardwick Fence, Superior Fence and Rail. That is the reason, because when you type in fence company St. Augustine, they're the first 2 that show up organically. So Hardwick Fence, they only have 578 words. But what we really want to be at is 1,500 words, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go on your website and crawl through the content looking for keywords. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So keyword is anything like fence company St. Augustine, Florida, fence installation St. Augustine, wood fence St. Augustine, St. Augustine fence contractors, etc. So anything with that sort, anything that's buyer intent with relevance to your niche. Okay, so I know another trick that I like to use is you can actually save some pictures. So if you go under like save image ads, you can actually save them under keywords as well. 6tan vinyl. So this picture should be saved under let's do fence company St. Augustine, Florida. That's what the picture should be saved under. All right, so that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about content. Now to get into backlinks, I bring up my tool Ahrefs, and Ahrefs I will say is a paid tool. Okay, it is a paid tool, but you can find other SEO tools like SEMrush, SEO Quake. Those are both free. There's a couple others out there too. I just like to use Ahrefs because it's the most accurate. So you come up with 10 referring domains, 18 backlinks, and 62 organic keywords. Your competition over here, Hardwick Fence, they have 56 referring domains, 182 backlinks, 173 keywords. And this kind of helps me bring up that keyword discussion I was talking about. So these are some of the keywords that they're using. As you can see, the volume is pretty high and the keyword difficulty is pretty low. So it shouldn't take too long to rank for these high volume keywords. Okay, so what is a backlink though? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins for the people wins the #1 spot. However, it is extremely important to realize that not all backlinks are created equal. The backlinks that you have, they need to be relevant to your site. And I'll give an example with like magazine. Would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA magazine, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA magazine? Best Fence, 100%, because you have nothing to do with pizzas. It doesn't show Google where to send people when they're searching for your services in that area. All right. So I just want to go over the 3 things we went over today. So content, you guys have about 718, need about 1,500 words on your homepage, and implement those high volume, low KD keywords to actually get some more people drawn to your website to get ranked. The second thing was backlinks. You guys need more backlinks to show that you are relevant. All right, you need to show Google that you are the authority and you deserve to be in the #1 spot with those backlinks. And the third thing was citations. So citations is how you get ranked in this map pack here. Okay, and I see that you're at the top of the second page, which is awesome, but we don't want you just at the top of the second page or the first page. We want you in this top 3. And how you get there is through what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number, which is a citation. All right, so these citations, they include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that they're going to rank you above them. And that's just how it goes. So you need about 200 to 300 citations, and you will be untouchable in this map pack, okay? So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online, all right? If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I could do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take for you to reach those goals. All I ask is that you leave a little bit of feedback. Let me know how I did on the video. Again, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. Feel free to reach out as my door is always open. I really hope this video helps, and have a great day.